Hi, welcome to our food segment. I'm here on one side of Headingley Stadium and I was walking in search of some coffee and I ventured a little further than I generally do and I found this cafe, Munch Cafe. And a very interesting, kind of a board outside the cafe, caught my attention. It says, "Welcome Indian cricket team to Headingley," an Indian flag. And that side, what does it say, sir? Tell us what it says that side.
It says, "Thank you, England, for cricket, and thank you, cricket, for MS Dhoni."
So when I saw, that kind of a cutout notice on the window, I had to venture in here, and inside here I met Sandhya Prasad, and her husband Ram, who have been running this cafe together. More interesting inside, and I'm a great fan of South Indian food. Inside, I found they have, they have on the menu masala vada. Is that right?
Yeah.
Sandhya, tell us a little bit about your South Indian menu and at what time of day you serve it.
So actually, we do South Indian in the evening between 5 to 9:30, and from Tuesday till Saturday. Sunday, Monday we close. So basically, we do South Indian in the evening and more of Chennai food that I have concentrated just to doing authentic South Indian local food, what you get in Chennai. Like for example, masala vada, medu vada, sambar vada, and some of the items what we do here, not many restaurants or cafe do in Leeds. So we have some of the very unique stuff.
Recently, she has introduced Ven Pongal and something that is vada curry. Vada curry is something that you don't get anywhere in Yorkshire as well. That is the research that she has done to make sure that whatever she is doing here, it's going to be unique, which no one else gets. So that's what we are trying to do, the best here to give the unique food at best taste.
So I've not heard of this dish which you just mentioned. It seems something I have to try. But Sandhya, since this is our food and wellness segment, where we talk about food, but we also talk about healthy food. Now tell us some of your, I know some South Indian options are really good, but some of your healthier South Indian options, you were just talking about idli, idiyappam, but tell us a little more about which are your healthier South Indian options.
We have idli, which is like rice steam cake, and idiyappam as well. It's also steamed food, and we do kuli paniyaram, and what else, Ram, that we do like
We do
healthy
medu
options?
vada. Yeah, mostly like medu vada is like it's kind of a protein rich dish, I would say, a tastier dish. So what happens is like especially in our side and countryside in Tamil Nadu, they give it to women mostly so that they don't get like back pain or hip pain. So they give a lot of medu vada. And when it comes to idli and other things, like in my place, when you go to the gym, you want to put on some weight. And you need some kind of like energy as well. They say in the mornings better go for like more carbs. So idli is something that they prefer, and it's like good for your appetite as well. How much ever you're going to eat, you're not going to feel something like uneasy in your stomach. So dosa as well, it's something light. You have 2 dosas, it's going to be really good time for both morning and in the night as well. Mostly breakfast, something people say it's only in the mornings, but this is something people who have like diabetic as well, they go for idli and dosa in the nights.
That's excellent. So this was Fitness Funda from Ram, but we have something else. Sandhya is also a cricketer, which I found out. So Sandhya, tell us a little bit about that. You're a cricketer. You play for one of the local clubs here. So tell us a little bit about that.
So I play for Crossgate. It's a club which is located in Crossgate.
it's
And what's your strength?
tell
What's
about
your strength?
bowling, batting.
Yeah, so I'm an all rounder. I bowl, bat, and I do good fielding as well. So
She's famous for her what to say, she's kind of an Afridi kind of a player, so she'll be there for 2-3 overs, make sure that the score goes high, and fond of by the opposite team, they are bit worried about her fielding as well. When ball goes to her, they know definitely it's going to be a catch. So she's a good fielder as well. The club is called Cross Gates, and for the women's it's UFCC. That's the club she actually plays for. And every Sundays they play a outdoor game, and in winter they go for indoor game.
So thank you, Ram and Sandhya. This is our food and wellness segment. It's generally done by Gargi, but today I'm doing it. Do watch this segment because here you have healthy South Indian food. You have a South Indian cafe right next to Headingley. You have Ram's Fitness Funda, and you have Sandhya's special South Indian food. So do please watch this segment and keep tuned into Rev Sports.